Imagine a place where time seems to slow down. A symphony of turquoise waters gently lapping against pristine white sand beaches, where granite boulders, sculpted by the elements, stand guard over hidden coves. Welcome to Seychelles, an archipelago of 115 islands in the Indian Ocean, each one a masterpiece of nature's artistry. More than just a postcard-perfect destination, Seychelles is a melting pot of cultures, a haven for unique flora and fauna, and a paradise for adventurers and those seeking pure relaxation alike. Whether you dream of indulging in world-class luxury or exploring on a budget, Seychelles has something magical to offer every traveler. Join me as we dive into this island paradise and uncover its hidden gems. In this Insider's Guide, we'll navigate the best ways to experience Seychelles, no matter your budget. We'll uncover the secrets to affordable accommodations that don't compromise on charm, and savor the flavors of Creole cuisine at local haunts bursting with character. We'll explore hidden trails leading to breathtaking viewpoints, all without breaking the bank. But Seychelles is also a place to indulge your wanderlust in style. We'll step into a world of luxury where opulent resorts redefine paradise, and private beaches beckon with their untouched beauty. Get ready to savor exquisite dining experiences with fresh caught seafood and tantalizing tropical flavors. And for the adventurous souls, we'll discover exhilarating activities, from diving in crystal clear waters to soaring above the islands on a scenic helicopter ride. Forget those preconceived notions about Seychelles being only for the wealthy. Savvy travelers will find a surprising number of budget-friendly options that open the doors to this island paradise. Instead of lavish resorts, consider charming guest houses and self-catering apartments, often run by welcoming Seychellois families. These hidden gems offer a more intimate and authentic experience, allowing you to immerse yourself in the local culture and create lasting memories. Plus, waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed Seychellois coffee and enjoying breakfast with a view is an experience money can't buy. Island hopping is a must-do in Seychelles, and thankfully, it doesn't have to break the bank. Forget expensive private boat transfers and embrace the local way of life by hopping on the affordable and efficient ferry system that connects the main islands. The ferries offer a chance to mingle with locals, soak in the stunning scenery, and feel the pulse of everyday island life. Just be sure to check the ferry schedules in advance, as they can vary depending on the day and the season. One of the best ways to experience Seychelles on a budget is to embrace the local cuisine. Step away from the tourist traps and venture into the heart of local life, the vibrant markets. Here, you'll find a symphony of colors, aromas, and flavors that will tantalize your senses. Freshly caught fish, the cornerstone of Seychellois cuisine, is sold alongside exotic fruits, vegetables, and fragrant spices. Pick up some ingredients and try your hand at preparing a traditional Creole dish at your guest house. Or savor the flavors at a local takeaway for a true taste of authentic Seychelles at a fraction of the cost. For an even more budget-friendly dining experience, seek out the local eateries known as takeaways. These no-frills restaurants serve up generous portions of flavorful Creole dishes at incredibly affordable prices. Don't forget to quench your thirst with fresh fruit juices sold by street vendors, a true taste of the tropics that won't break the bank. While Seychelles offers incredible experiences for budget-conscious travelers, it also beckons those seeking the pinnacle of luxury. Imagine waking up in a private, overwater bungalow, the gentle lapping of waves against the stilts your morning serenade. In Seychelles, this dream becomes a reality. Opulent resorts dot the islands, each more breathtaking than the last. They offer unparalleled service, world-class amenities, and a level of exclusivity that redefines paradise. From private plunge pools to dedicated butlers catering to your every whim, these resorts are a sanctuary for discerning travelers seeking the ultimate escape. Imagine stepping onto your private balcony, the sun rising over the Indian Ocean, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange. Or perhaps you prefer a private sunset cruise on a luxurious yacht, champagne in hand, as the silhouette of islands fade into the distance. In Seychelles, luxury is not just a word, it's a feeling, an experience woven into every detail of your stay. It's about indulging in the extraordinary, where every desire is anticipated and every moment is designed to create lasting memories. Luxury in Seychelles extends far beyond lavish accommodations. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey that tantalizes your taste buds. World-renowned chefs transform the freshest catches of the day and locally sourced ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Imagine dining under canopy of stars, the gentle ocean breeze carrying the scent of frangipani flowers. The sound of waves crashing against the shore provides a soothing soundtrack as you savor every bite. Expert sommeliers are on hand to pair your meal with the perfect wine, elevating your dining experience to new heights. From exquisite seafood platters to tantalizing Creole-inspired creations, Seychelles' fine dining scene is a celebration of flavor and indulgence. And for a more relaxed yet equally luxurious experience, unwind at one of the many beachside bars. Sip on expertly crafted cocktails as you watch the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors. Adventure awaits those seeking thrills and unforgettable experiences. Seychelles' pristine waters are a haven for marine life, making it a diver's paradise. Explore vibrant coral reefs teeming with colorful fish, encounter graceful manta rays gliding through the depths, or even swim alongside gentle whale sharks. For a more intimate encounter with nature, rent a kayak and paddle through the crystal clear waters of secluded coves. Discover hidden beaches, accessible only by water, and marvel at the untouched beauty of these secluded corners of paradise. For a truly unforgettable experience, take to the skies on a scenic helicopter ride. Soar above the islands, marveling at the breathtaking aerial views of turquoise waters, lush green hills, and pristine beaches. Or lace up your hiking boots and embark on a trek through the island's lush interiors. Discover hidden waterfalls cascading down granite cliffs, encounter unique flora and fauna, and reach breathtaking viewpoints that offer panoramic views of the islands and the vast ocean beyond. Luxury. Don't miss the opportunity to connect with the heart and soul of Seychelles, its people and their vibrant culture. Venture beyond the confines of your resort and explore local markets, where you can interact with artisans and purchase unique souvenirs. Immerse yourself in the culinary heritage of Seychelles by taking a cooking class. Learn the art of preparing traditional Creole dishes, using fresh local ingredients and time-honored techniques. Experience the rhythm of Seychelles by attending a traditional dance performance. Let the infectious energy of the music and movements transport you to the heart of Seychellois culture. And for a truly unforgettable experience, simply take the time to connect with the locals, engage in conversation, learn about their lives, and embrace the warm hospitality that defines the Seychellois spirit. These genuine interactions will enrich your journey and leave you with a deeper appreciation for the islands and their people. Seychelles' true treasure lies not just in its breathtaking landscapes, but also in its rich cultural tapestry. Venture beyond the beaches and resorts to uncover the soul of these islands, where a vibrant blend of African, European, and Asian influences creates a unique and captivating culture. Seek out local artisans and witness their creativity come to life. Admire the intricate designs of hand-woven baskets, marvel at the colorful creations of local painters, and be captivated by the rhythms of traditional music. Engage in conversation with the Seychellois people, known for their warmth and hospitality. Listen to their stories, learn about their traditions, and gain a deeper understanding of the island's history and heritage. Visit historical landmarks like Mission Lodge on Mahé, a testament to the island's colonial past. Or explore the beautifully preserved Creole houses with their colorful wooden shutters and lush gardens. These experiences will add a layer of depth and meaning to your Seychelles adventure. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Seychellois music and dance. The intoxicating rhythms of Sega, the traditional music of Seychelles, will have you tapping your feet and swaying to the beat. Attend a cultural performance and witness the colorful costumes, energetic footwork, and infectious joy of Seychellois dance. The music, often accompanied by drums, guitars, and accordions, reflects the island's African, Malagasy, and European influences. Join a local festival or celebration and experience the true spirit of Seychelles. From the vibrant Carnival International de Victoria to the more intimate Feast of the Assumption, these events offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of Seychellois culture. Indulge in the flavors of traditional Seychellois cuisine, a delicious fusion of Creole, Indian, and French influences. Savor the taste of freshly caught seafood, infused with aromatic spices and coconut milk, and discover the unique flavors of local fruits and vegetables. And beyond its stunning beaches, Seychelles is home to a wealth of natural wonders that will leave you in awe of Mother Nature's artistry. Explore the UNESCO World Heritage listed Vallée de Mai Nature Reserve on Praslin Island, home to the legendary Coco de Mer palm. These ancient creatures, some over 100 years old, roam freely in their natural habitat, offering a glimpse into a prehistoric world. Dive into the crystal clear waters surrounding the islands and discover a kaleidoscope of marine life. Swim alongside graceful whale sharks, encounter playful dolphins, and marvel at the intricate beauty of coral reefs teeming with colorful fish. Hike through the lush forests and nature trails that crisscross the islands, discovering hidden waterfalls, breathtaking viewpoints, the granite peaks of Mahé to the pristine beaches of La Digue. Seychelles offers endless opportunities to reconnect with nature. Whether you seek adventure or relaxation, luxury or affordability, Seychelles offers something special for every traveler. Indulge in the opulence of world-class resorts, or embrace the simplicity of guest houses and self-catering apartments. Explore the islands at your own pace, hopping on a ferry to discover hidden coves and secluded beaches, or rent a bicycle and meander through charming villages. Embark on thrilling water sports adventures, or simply unwind on the pristine sands, listening to the gentle lapping of the waves. Seychelles is a destination that stays with you long after you've left its shores. It's a place where time seems to slow down, where the natural beauty is both breathtaking and restorative, and where the warmth of the Seychellois people leaves a lasting impression. Seychelles, a tapestry of experiences. From bustling markets to secluded beaches, Seychelles is a destination of contrasts. Luxury intertwines with authenticity, adventure awaits around every corner, and the warmth of the Seychellois people shines through. Captivated by underwater wonders, vibrant cultural performances, or pristine sands, Seychelles weaves its magic into your soul. It caters to every desire, from adventures to relaxation. Beyond its beauty, Seychelles makes you feel something special. Thrill of spotting a rare bird, joy of sharing a laugh with a local artisan, or tranquility of an Indian Ocean sunset. Seychelles creates lasting memories. True luxury lies in connecting with nature, immersing in cultures and unforgettable experiences. Your island escape awaits. So, what are you waiting for? Your Seychelles adventure awaits. Start planning your trip to this island paradise. Embrace the warmth of the Seychellois people and discover the magic. No matter your travel style or budget, Seychelles promises an unforgettable experience. Pack your bags and prepare to be captivated by this island paradise. Leaving only footprints. As we bid farewell to this enchanting destination, let's remember the importance of responsible tourism. Seychelles' pristine environment and unique biodiversity are precious treasures that deserve our utmost respect and protection. When exploring the islands, be mindful of your impact, dispose of waste responsibly, avoid single-use plastics, and choose eco-friendly tour operators who prioritize sustainability. Support local conservation efforts and contribute to preserving the natural beauty of Seychelles for generations to come. By embracing sustainable practices and respecting the local culture, we can ensure that future generations have the opportunity to experience the magic of Seychelles just as we have. Let's leave only footprints and take only memories, ensuring that this island paradise remains as pristine and enchanting as ever. Remember, responsible tourism is not just about protecting the environment. It's also about supporting the local communities and preserving their way of life. Choose locally owned accommodations, dine at family-run restaurants, and purchase souvenirs from local artisans, contributing to the economic well-being of the Seychellois people. Until next time, Seychelles. As the sun sets on our Seychelles adventure, we carry with us cherished memories of pristine beaches, turquoise waters, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality. The islands have left an imprint on our hearts, a longing to return and rediscover their magic. Until next time, Seychelles, we'll cherish the memories of your beauty, your warmth, and your unwavering ability to inspire wonder and awe. May your shores remain pristine, your culture vibrant, and your spirit forever enchanting. Thank you, Seychelles, for sharing your treasures with the world. We'll be back to explore more of your hidden gems, to connect with your people, and to create new memories that will last a lifetime.